Foshan CICADA Dental Instrument Company, Limited is located in the industrial base of New Light Source of Foshan City, Guangdong, China. We adhere to the entrepreneurial spirit of reaching over all the difficulties and expand the development space of each employees. We have established a modern and effective managerial system in the research, development, manufacturing, testing, after-sales service, which provides a guarantee for our clients all over the world with product development, production, and customized services. We have established a sound service management system and overall arrangement to guarantee the reliable and timely maintenance, repair and replacement for our sold products. CICADA is a rising brand for all our products that is strictly manufactured by sticking to the brand spirit of serving the global dental experts and forge ahead toward the goal of Chinese brands in the world market. With 10 years of persistence, we have established a modern production line with the international standards, the world's advanced professional high-precision equipment to ensure production capacity and product quality. Our company has successively brought out series of root canal preparation instrument, nickel titanium endophiles, 100th obturation system, electric motor, 1-second curing light, dental handpiece and related products or instrument will ISO 13485, CE, FDA certification approvals. Our CICADA brand products have won the praise of customers of the United States, UK, Germany, Britain, France, Mexico, Colombia, Canada, Australia, Brazil, India, Iraq, etc. In the future, our CICADA staffs will not forget the original intention, aspiring to cooperate with you for a bright future.